Hi everyone, it's me, Mr. Joe, and welcome back to Study Time Online. Today, it's time for verbal reasoning, and we're looking at Type C word to code mirror questions. Fancy! Let's take a look. Mirror questions are a type of word to code to word that can appear from time to time. When you use the usual method, you will notice there is no pattern in the sequence. This means it is a mirror question. Let's take a look at an example. The code for foiled is ULROW. Work out the code for chaff. Now, if I start to use our usual method, and I jump from the first letter to the next first letter, and I use the alphabet above and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, minus 11. When I try the next letter, O to L, it's minus 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not much of a sequence. If I try another letter, I to R, it's plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going all over the place. It's going up and down. The numbers are big or they're little. Now, if this happens, it's a mirror question. What you need to do is find the middle of the alphabet. Sounds hard, but it's easy to remember. The middle of the alphabet is my favorite sweeties, M&Ms. So find the letter M and N, just put a line in between. Great! Now, a mirror question works like this. If I gave you the letter A and asked you to find the opposite, you'd go all the way down here and find the letter Z, and they're opposite. If I gave you the letter W, you would say it's 1, 2, 3, 4 from this end. So you'd go to the other end and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're opposite. The line in the middle is useful because if I gave you the letter L and wanted to know the opposite, you would say it's 1, 2, letters from the middle. So you'd go 1, 2, take the second letter there, and it would be O. If I gave you the letter H, you could say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that way. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that way. And it would be S. Super. When you figure out it's a mirror question, they're actually the easiest type. What I want you to do now is figure out the opposite letter for each letter in chaff. I want you to pause the video, write down your answer, and see what you get. Have you got it? Let's see. So the first letter of chaff is C, so I must find the opposite. It's 1, 2, 3 from that end, 1, 2, 3 from that end, gives me X. Great. Let's try the next letter in chaff. H. I find H on my alphabet, it's quite close to the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I go to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S. Brilliant. Now I need to find the opposite of the letter A. Pretty easy. The opposite of the letter A is Z. So now I can put Z in. Brilliant. And finally, I need to find the opposite to the letter F. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from that end. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from that end. And it's U. Because we've got 2 Fs in a row, we can write 2 U's. And that's it, guys. Once you figure out it's a mirror question, they're actually quite easy. There's some practice questions for you to do, and I'll see you next time on Study Time Online. Bye-bye!